Start.
Jai Hind. Team Unitour welcomes you. Hello everyone. My idea is about promoting our history and making money from it. It is the digital heritage and tourism app. The problem is that Punjab is full of amazing historical treasures, old forts, beautiful houses and hidden gurdwaras. But many people even in Punjab don't know about them. Tourists only go for few famous places. Because of this, the smaller historical sites don't get money for repair, and the local people nearby can't start small business. So our solution is a smart mobile app. This app will be a digital map of all historical sites. When a tourist visits a place, this app will give them interesting audio tour and tell them the full history.
The app will also connect the tourist to the local services. They can hire a trained local heritage guide and book a local homestay or a small restaurant. This business used our history and our culture to create new jobs for young people like guides and storytellers. This is how we can protect our culture and pride and build a purposes tourism rich state.
Thank you.